morning, Debbie. Good morning, everybody. Let's say good morning, everybody, huh? Why not? Why not? Isn't that the nice thing to do? What did I miss? 8CTI ran to volume weighted average price. Okay, no big deal. We got GCTS is kind of poking around a little bit here. All right, and we got the Discord over here, so we're good. Everything's set up, I think. Oh shit, I gotta get the light right. The light's wrong. What's going on with my computer here? There we go. Hey, there I am. What? Jeez. Stinking live streamers, right? God, can't they get their shit straight? Come on, go, GCTS. Go, 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 go. Plug, plug, plug. Move, move, move. Where can it go? I didn't even look. Let me get my lights right first. I don't care. It's just money, guys. It's just money. There we go. All right, perfect. All right, where can GCTS go? Let's see. Well, it's pushing right there right now. It's pushing right here right now, 127. Okay, and where can it go? If you guys are having any problems hearing me or seeing me, let me know. All right, 136. There's 136. Oh, yeah, it's got some. You know what? Let's move that 136 to 14. 144. Yeah, all right. Yeah, that looks about right. That looks about right. 144. What the heck? Come on, 8CTI. All right, let me look at comments here. Let me say hello to everybody. What's up, everybody? There you go. I'm done with that. Remember, I'm also doing this on YouTube. So if you guys are curious about having another area to watch the live stream, you can go there if TikTok goes nuts or something. Nutso. There we go. Look at this thing working. This thing working overtime for me right now. Is doing me solid. Hey, come on, go. Let me get that out of your way. Get that out of your way here. Come on, baby. Keep on plugging. Let's make some money. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Nam, what's up, Debbie? Good morning. How is everything going today? It has been slow as can be. I was showing everybody why I hate Charles Schwab earlier on, because look, I was watching this yesterday. I'm in this on my Charles Schwab account. Good morning, back host for you on YouTube there. So yeah, I was in this yesterday. I'm in this I have 1,100 shares at 42 cents. And I was watching it ran to 52 cents. I couldn't sell it. It wouldn't let me. Didn't matter if I had a limit sell or not. It just would not let me sell it. Why? Because that's how Charles Schwab is. If they're closed, then you ain't selling your shit. So they open at 4 in the morning. Oh yeah, Nam was freaking fire yesterday. It was 7.13 today. I think it hit $8 yesterday. So yeah. Come on, baby. Keep on moving. Yeah, Nam looked good yesterday. Nam looked good today. Nam looked good last week. Nam's just been fire. No, Nam didn't hit 8. I could have swore it hit 8 yesterday. I'm looking at it right now. It didn't hit 8. Well, it'll hit 8. It's 7. It's 780. It'll get there. All right, all right, all right. We'll just keep on trying to hunt down something that's gonna fly for us here. Where is the music? The music. We need some happy tunes for our happy day of trading here. Got 4 people on the YouTube. Why don't y'all say hi? Say hello there, people on YouTube. How you do? How you doing? All right. Don't be scared. I don't bite. Please tell me you had coffee, please. Oh yeah, I'm on my second cup, my friend. Yep, made that mistake yesterday. sure this music's quiet so it doesn't blow my kids, wake them up or anything. Yeah, yeah. GCTS, yeah, should hit that 144 there. And to be honest, if anything, remember, take profit ones are really, they're, hey, good morning, Patricia, are really good probability. Take profit ones. Take profit twos and threes, those are a little harder. Good morning, Jim Tastic Jim. Feeling some 90s music. Yeah, let's go. Actually, I was feeling some No Doubt there. All right. Come on, GCTS. Move your ass. So as I was starting to say, I'm feeling like this thing could probably hit about 182 or right about here. Right around that area. That's where I think it could go for take profit two. Your MACD's already coming down though. So that's not looking too good right there. But we'll see. Just looking for a little move up there. Hey Jay, look at sir. I know. I see sir. It's at the top of the list. I can't give targets on that, unfortunately. All right, let's see here. Oh, son of a biscuit. Actually, I can give targets on it. I forgot to put that on the damn watch list. Ha, frickin' hell. Oh, and I noticed the typo. Damn it. Shit. Come on, Jarek. I was already winding down. Anyways, you're in it for 15. Nice, Miracle Superman. Good stuff. Good. All right, there we go. Take profit one. We're about 5 cents away on GCTS. Let's go, GCTS. Move your ass. And guys, don't forget, do not forget to take your profits. Take your profits. Take your profits. Don't forget. Don't forget to take those profits. HCTI not being very nice to me on that side. That's okay. All right. There's my order to sell 75 of my 100. And I'm going to leave the other 25 to sit here and create order. There we go. So there's one target, there's the other target, and I'll go ahead and set that up right about there. There we go. So once this hits this one, I'll go ahead and take some profit off the table, take about 3/4 of that, and then hopefully that'll run up to there. HCTI is just not being too kind to me right now. That is just not, that's not nice. If it's not nice on here, it's not nice on my other account. All right. Come on now. Get up there. Let's see, anything else? Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on, push. I'm looking at a take profit like 505 on SER SER. Get up there, dang it. Come on now. You're gonna hit 140 and then take a break. That's not cool. Run the rest of the way. I tell you what to do, not you tell me what to do, right, Stock? All right? Learn who's boss. Damn, why does that seem so loud from on my side? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And we got, and we got, and we got. Okay, maybe not. Maybe we don't got our first price start. Come on now. 41. You're gonna stop at 41. You're gonna leave me 3 cents shy. That's not very cool there, Mister. It'll hit. It'll hit. I'm not too scared. Why do I not see anything moving? Why is it so slow? I'm just resetting my screen here on my top screen, just so I could see a little better. Oh man. Good morning. Good morning. Thoughts on Salt? UNH. There we go. Profit hit. Boom, boom, boom. We just scalped some profit. Profit scalp. Profit scalp. Do 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 do. And there's 147, 149. We already took some off the table here, so that's good. This one sucks over here. This one's not looking good over here. It's not going to look good on my other account. My little account that I literally just am watching go away right now because of this thing going down. I hate you, Charles Schwab. I hate you so badly. Thoughts on salt. All right, let's. I will not be salting. Sulking. I will not be sulking. Salt. What is salt? Oh, dear God. All right, please tell me SOLT is it SOLTF? What are you talking about a stock or are you talking about something else here? Yeah, I don't see anything else except the SOLT ETF. If it's that, I'm not going to talk about that. It's not yeah, I'm not going to talk about that. I try to stay away from anything crypto related for the most part, other than actual stocks, not ETFs. What else we got here? How can I join the Discord? You can call me Sam. Sam, you can go to jrockstocks.com and subscribe to the daily watch this blog, basically the full access, and you'll get a link from me to you emailed to you with the link to the Discord and to let's look at this one. I'll put that over here for right now. I don't have anything else to put there right now. Yeah, you'll get the link to the Discord that way. And then you'll come in and, we'll welcome you with open arms and you'll catch some of these alerts. DUO did not do anything, actually. DUO, can I just crap, MBAI? MBAI, no, not, maybe. It's not gonna join soon. Cool, man. Thank you. I appreciate that, Sam. Yeah, check out the website. Oh, hey, you know what? Now that I zoomed out of HCTI, now that I zoom out, it's a double bottom here, but if you kind of scrunch it down and zoom out, put it on like a 1 minute, you can kind of see a little cup and handle here. Little cup, little handle, double bottom obviously, but little cup and handle bouncing off the volume weighted average price, which is about 41 cents. I'll take that. That's not bad. To him. Mm. Here's one that could possibly, and we played with this one before. It's SPHL. It's a 402,000 float, and volume's only 2,600 right now. So maybe it'll pop up a little later. Maybe if there's some news. No idea. It's very slow right now. Super slow. Super. It's like we're doing slow motion. We got DCX bouncing up. It's a 362,000 float. There's where is it there? Ah, come on. DCX. There it is. Right here, DCX bouncing up. It's got what do we got? Digital currency X technology Inc. regains compliance with NASDAQ minimum market value of listed securities requirement. Okay. So there she is. There she's moving. 475 there on DCX. Let's take a look, see where we can possibly get this thing. Oh, dang. Look there. There's a gap. 496. There's your first target. There is your first target. Remember these little purple lines? That is a gap, and that is your first target. Okay. So it's 398 right now. Yeah. Yeah. I think we can get there. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. Let's go. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Let's go. Morning, fam. What's up? How you doing, the one squib? What up? And I'm still plugging away. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. Yo, what's up, Crusher? Crusher's in the house. What's up, Mitchell? Let's go. Thank you for the hearts, me. Appreciate you. We have 100 chili gold, guys. Don't forget 100 chilies. Damn, that was close. Didn't do it. Ooh, there we go. All right, come on, push. All right, let's say that it fills this gap. Look at that beautiful hammer candle right there off of support. That little green candle is your support. I mean, that little green line is your support. If you look on the screen, that is your 9 EMA. Okay, then you've got, hopefully we'll have a confirmation candle here. This candle has 34 seconds to turn green. 34 seconds to turn green. It hit 440, which is about 56 cents away from our target. Come on, GCTS. You know you can do it. You know you can. Hey, thanks for following, Trench Queen. Appreciate that. Hey, Mitchell sent 10 chilies. Thanks, Mitchell. Let's go. Chili, chili. Speaking of chili, how's the weather? How you guys doing? You guys doing all right? If you prefer to watch me on YouTube, I'm on YouTube as well. It's a pretty much exact same image as you're seeing right now. We're watching for this thing to fill this gap at 496. Keeps testing 438. So technically, if you wanted to play it from where you're at to 438, that's 38 pennies right there. As long as it keeps bouncing off that little blue line there, you'll be okay. What's going on here? There we go. Oh man, it broke volume weighted average price. Why? Why? All right, so we'll just do this because we don't want to give money back, and I'm okay with taking a small, very small profit there. Why didn't it sell? I'm very confused right now. Come on, get me out of here. There we go. All right, so I took profit on GCTS. I told you guys first target is like very high probability. Second target could take a while. And this thing might be doing a head and shoulder pattern, or it might just be crashing right back down to the little red line. So, with the market the way it's been recently, I'm being very cautious and just pretty much taking my take profit one. So let's see. Uses the green line here. Used it as support. Put up a little doji. Pushing volume weighted average price now. Remember I said from 4 to about 438. So let's see if it'll get that 438 again. That's about 38 cents. Push, 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 push. This is a big magnet, guys. So this is your target right here. But if you want to like grab 38 cents or something, there you go. You really don't want to know? It's still freezing. It's still freaking cold. Oh boy. Rain, and more rain tomorrow. That's crazy. 15, negative 15. Ugh. Yikes. Mitchell's negative 3. Let's see. We are at 44 today. 44, but if for someone that has arthritis, it feels like it's fucking 10. Oh, my bones are killing me, guys. So it's funny. I'll laugh this up. There you go. Didn't I tell you? I told you if you want it from 4 to about 438, you're gonna get it. And it did. It happened. I know. I'm mystical. I'm like a freaking unicorn. Just kidding. I did not just call myself a unicorn, okay? I've only had 2 of these, so sorry. Although I do have a horn sometimes. Oh God. It's warmed up here. We're about 12, but last week was negative 26. Whoa, that sucks. All right, let's have some fun, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's do it up. And you know what? I think it was I think it was it Squids? Who was it yesterday? Was it the one squib or Squids that said that you know yesterday was the first time that they actually saw one of my posts for a really long time. And I have a very good idea here. If you comment or like or do anything to any of my posts, then TikTok's going to give you my stuff. It's actually going to show it to you more. So yo, what's up, Mella? Thank you for sharing the live. Appreciate it. Yeah, so if you guys are having trouble seeing my stuff, then that's probably because you haven't liked any of my posts. Haven't commented, haven't liked. Interaction is why TikTok pushes stuff your way. So just let's just call it what it is, right? So here's the only Jrockstocks that you're supposed to follow right here. All right, so Jrockstocks right here, right at the top there. Jrocks, TOCKS. No dots, no dashes, no nothing. I have about 26.8 thousand followers. This is my most recent video, has 2197 on it. They'll copy these guys, these scam artists. They'll copy all my videos and they'll post them and they'll put jrock.stocks or .jrockstocks or jrockstocks dot, and then they'll have Jarek or jrock right over here. So What the heck is going on? Why my screen go blank? Hang on. Something just happened to my screen. Not the main screen, but the my little monitor here on the left where I'm running stuff. So I gotta mess with it, unfortunately. Let's see. It says no cable, but the cable's there. All right, there we go. Maybe that'll help. Let's see. Don't switch. Perfect. There we go. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good again. We're alive. Debbie, I noticed Cree with the change on TikToks, I'm seeing all old videos. I liked it, commented, and shared. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. With the change, yep, yep. I noticed that as well. Shit, I had already scrolled by, was popping up again. Here's the funny thing. The funny thing is that it will, and I have videos like really like I've been posting for such a long time. I mean, like 2 years posting, and if you go all the way to my last video, um, it's of come on, get it again. I'm telling you, it's using this little green line as support. Let's see if this time it wants to hit that 496. Um, I've noticed people commenting on like on those videos, like GME videos, like from freaking 2 years ago. I'm like, it's so outdated. It's so outdated. It's like, oh yeah, nice call on CAI. Ooh, well, yeah, back then. Come on, there it is. Boom, shakalaka. I told you guys, if you want to scalp your profits, scalp your profits. There it is. Target acquired. Target acquired. Now, that's what I'm talking about right there. See, I've had 2 cups of these already. If you would have listened, you would have got about $1 worth of profit there. Yep, $1 per share. So you can take that money that you make by watching me on these, and you can subscribe to the Jrockstocks watch list and Discord. We're building the community. We're a small community, which is pretty awesome. Because your messages do get heard, and there's good conversation in there. There's no bullying whatsoever. I kick people out just for bullying. I don't care if it costs me money, but I will not have a cancer in the community. So there you go. If you guys made money on DCX, let's go. Throw some fireballs in the chat. All right, so next target on DCX. Now that we're above 5, well, look at that. We hit 526. Boom shakalaka. All right, 588. Yeah. We're gonna go 590. Yeah, fuck it. 592. Why not? Why not? I'm feeling giving. So here's your second target, because your first target was already filled. There was your first target. This was like a beginner target, $4. There you go. Really? Only one person? One person with a fireball? There's 71 of you in here. No one made money on that? It makes me a little sad. Here I thought I was helping, strippers get through college. Just kidding. Just kidding. Fred Flintstone. I just got here. Ricardo, you missed it. So DCX, it hit 550. We're waiting for 592. Pretty sure that'll hit. Super low float. 362,000 shares. And it's already done 3.5 million. So, yeah. How about them apples? 702 minutes. Let's go. There you go, user. Beautiful. Quick hundo. Yeah, buddy. Haha. Nice. There we go. All right. Love it. Love it. Oh, I love it. That's amazing. Hopefully, hopefully the peeps in the Discord are watching this. And yeah, I gotta get another cup of coffee. This one's empty. That's no fun. No touchy till open. Oh, Cree, you're not playing until open. I got you. I'm afraid to look. What's HCTI at? Okay, 38. We're okay. We're all right. We're almost there. There's HCTI. I'm down $9. Made money on GCTS. I got to build this account back up. This account's pretty low, so I'm basically using it just to play around with you guys on here. Um, I'm doing a little challenge for myself. I didn't really say much about it, but the Discord gets to see the updates on the small account, which is at I think 540 right now. Well, no, now it's probably lower because HCTI. Let's see, where is it? Where did I put that thing? That's the build. Come on, HCTI, get back up. All right, you guys tell me when this thing hits that 592, okay? Look at that, it's back to 493. You guys tell me when GCX hits 592. You guys yell at me, okay? I'm just curious to see what my 8CTI is doing over here. So I lined this thing out for myself. There is a gap on 8CTI up at 98 cents. This is a watch list stock, but the reason I'm talking about it is because I'm in it. It's the only reason you guys are getting these targets. So consider it a freebie. Where am I at on my predictions? Let's see. Oh, I dropped down 75.69. Why? What happened? Wonder which one it was. I'm curious. Huh. One of them got me. Lost me some points there. All right, let's turn this back in 1 minute. Let's go back to DCX. We are pushing. It is pushing. Let's go. Here we go. Let's see this next leg up. 592. Come on. Nice little doji right there on a little downtrend. There you go. There's your confirmation candle. Move on up. I do better after open. Okay. That's cool. Year of the Rabbit. Thanks for following. Guys, don't forget to share the live. That lets more people know that I'm actually on. Oh, come on. Let's go get that new high. Let's get that new high. DCX. DCX. I don't know why I said that as if it was like DMX, but yeah, I don't know. You're dealing with someone that's only had 2 cups of coffee. So give me a break. What else is moving? We caught that one nice and early. I like those where you can catch them like that. Those are fun. Oh, coming down a little bit there on DCX. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep hitting the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. Let's go. Nope, not yet. There's a KRRO. It's been pushing. Yesterday it was at $11.60. It's at $13.98 right now. KRRO volume's super low right now, but float's only 8.7 million. We have PT on DCX. Yeah, watch the live. All right. So there's that. I'm going to keep on looking around here. All right. So remember that little green line? That's the 9-day EMA. That is your support Looks like it kind of broke through there. It might be coming down to 476, which is volume weighted average price. As I'm talking, this thing wants to move. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Was that a fake out breakdown? GCTS doing that head and shoulder pattern that I told you guys it was doing. Let's see it come back down to the red line. And that's why we take the first price target there. Hey, thank you. Big homie Drees. Big homie Drees? Maybe. Thanks for following. All right, look at that. Coming right back down to this little red line. That is your 200 EMA. And what is up? What is up? What is up? What do we got here? All right, HCTI is doing okay for me right now. 39 cents. Let's go. DCX, push, baby, push. I don't see anything moving. I don't see anything else moving. Sorry. There's stocks on the watch list I can't speak of that are kind of moving a little bit here. I would watch SUPX. I'd watch for SUPX get back to 21.99, maybe even more. Once that volume picks up, its average volume is only 351,000. Floats a little higher than I'd like it. Still under 20 million, which is okay. Current volume's 40,000. So no volume yet, but it's made a move. And yesterday, right after open, it hit 21.99. So day trade followed the creator. Thank you for following day trade. All right, so come on, push on up. We're almost there. We're almost at that second target on DCX. Come on, baby. And look at this beautiful head and shoulder pattern right here on GCTS, coming back down to that red line. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, guys. Don't forget to take your profits on DCX. Make sure you are capturing some profit. So it's house money, not your own money. And we are almost there. We're at 583. Target was 592. When alerted from $4, you could have almost made $2 a share there. That's pretty good. That I gotta say. Watch NAM. It's gonna pop. Yeah. For some reason, I thought NAM had already hit $8. So, yeah. When I looked at it, I was like, "Oh, what? I thought it hit." No, not yet. It'll get there. Gold and silver. DCX. Yeah, if you guys don't know what a head and shoulder pattern is, look at GCTS. That is a head and shoulder pattern. More than likely, when you see this type of pattern right here, you see this left shoulder, here's the head, and then you start seeing this kind of consolidate sideways. Yeah, you're more than likely going to see it break down like that. And there you go. There's your head and shoulder pattern. Now, if you flip this upside down, that's an inverted head and shoulder pattern. So you have this left shoulder down here. You have the head there, trading consolidation, and then it should break up. And once it breaks the neckline, you got a little breakout. Here's that little candle that I don't like. These candles are usually reverse candles. So this may hit that target and come back down, but we'll see. The MACD's been green for a little while now, and notice how it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Without any, that's why you take profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. Oh, I got a good song right here. I like this song. Back in the days. We're going to listen to this, and then we'll switch over to this other song. Go ahead, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. We did good yesterday. We got to 100 people in the live. It has been good coming back and doing these lives with you guys. I know you some of you really enjoy them, some of them not so much. Thank you for sharing the live there, Mella. Appreciate that. Sam, thanks for following me. That's awesome. We're doing good. We're doing good. So now, does a head and shoulders pattern mean this stock is dead? No, it does not mean the stock is dead. It just means it's going to reverse and come down. It will find support somewhere. In this case, it looks like it found support at 112 roughly. And here's that reverse candle, right? This is a 1 minute chart. There's your little reverse doji. That's where it found support, and it's moving back up. But it's going to have a big problem getting through. It's going to have a big problem getting through 123 and then 131. Usually that little yellow line is the VWAP, and that's where the algorithms sit to either help push the stock up or push it down. Told you guys this was a reversal candle, and look, it reversed. So yeah, probably coming back down to the yellow line this time, which is volume weighted average price on DCX. Right there. DCX. DCX. All right. Let's see. How's it doing? CTI, 38 cents still. SER doing higher. Oh, higher highs, higher R. I just said, yeah, yeah. Sam, yeah, I just started talking about Sir when you asked about it. Yeah, Sir SER is doing higher highs, higher lows. And there it is, getting reversed again. Look at that candle right there on GCTS. There's a reversal right there. So reversal here, reversal here. Now it could be short-lived. That MACD is trying to curl back up. Let's put Sir there though. Let's take a look at that one. Oh, what chart was that? Oh, it's a 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart. So it's doing higher highs, higher lows on a 5 minute chart. So here's Sir right here. So you got this little blow up here. Boom, there's a high, there's a higher low. Boom, there's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, just barely. When it breaks down, when it breaks this support at 410, I'd say, roughly 410, it'll probably end up coming back down to about 376. And if it can't hold that, 358 on SER. No. Oh yeah, I was gonna change the song. That's right. Boom. This is fun. This is a fun song. Cherry poppin' daddies, baby. Yes, I am. Here is HCTI, still trying to get over that volume weighted average price. Looking like a little cup and handle here off of this double bottom. Looks like a little cup and handle. There's your cup, there's your handle. Needs to break volume weighted average price to break out of. Well, technically it doesn't. Technically it needs to break 40 cents. There's a reversal here on DCX. You got a little dragonfly doji off of support. Didn't I tell you guys? Little yellow line. There's your little yellow line. Now the way that you spot a reversal isn't just because of the one candle. It's because of the next candle, your confirmation candle. You look at your MACD is still red. It needs to hold it. It needs to hold volume weighted average price, or those algorithms are going to send it back down. I got to look it up. I got to see how I can see my cursor on TikTok, because you guys just see the little dots. Yeah. So this is the candlestick I was talking about right here, in between the two dots. That's a dragonfly doji right there. And see, it's not wanting to reverse, not yet. It's losing strength. Looks like it wants to come back down, and it just broke support. So be careful. Your support was 479 on DCX. Do do do. Na 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 na. All right, let's keep on moving here. What did I tell you guys? Didn't I tell you to take your profits on the way up? We got close. We got within 7 cents of that second target. Within 7 cents. That's solid work. All right, guys. We got 2,700 likes. We've got 86 people in here. We got 7 new followers. That's pretty awesome. I got to put a follower count up here somehow. I'm still learning how to use all this crap. Still learning how to use all this crap. Oh gosh. What is it? Let's see. Live goal fan club. Live goal. That's not it. Is it fan club? Is it fan? I don't know, guys. I have no idea. I'm still trying to figure it out. What's up, Raul? Thank you, Raul Farias. Thank you for following. I appreciate it. I'm trying to find these little gems like DCX. That was a gem. Hey, look at that. You guys didn't yell at me. Look at HCTI. It's getting back up to volume weighted average price. This thing, it breaks this little guy right here, breaks 440, and she's coming back down. She's coming back down just under. I'd say probably close to like 385, right around there. If it breaks through that 368, and then a complete reversal, if anything. Let's go. Let's go. Keep on rocking and rolling, guys. Hope you guys are liking the music. All right, we got Mask. Here is Mask starting to move. Dun, dun, dun. All right, we got 15 million float. We got 100,000 shares traded so far. Don't jump in on the very first candle, guys. Do not jump in on the very first green candle. Wait for a pullback. This could be the pullback. This is a 1-minute chart. Trust me, I am irking to jump into this thing too. So I usually like to do about 200 bucks per trade. That gives me about 800 shares of this thing. So we'll see. We'll see what it does. If it really wants to pull back or if it's really doing something. Volume's picking up. All right, so not a pullback yet. Not a pullback yet. You already have your targets on the screen. Thank you, man. Great music, great knowledge. Hey, no problem, Raul. Thank you for following. SPI has news 18 minutes ago. Do you think it will move today? ASPI is a tricky little beast. That thing likes to move around in strange ways. 27, 30. Come on, get back down. Let's see the pullback. Pullback. Mm. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it just for fun. We're losing $1 here. Hopefully we'll make $1 back here. There we go. Move that up a little bit. Give you guys something fun to watch. There we go. We've already made back our $1. All right, let's put this here. Let's see how much I'll make if it hits take profit 2. That'll be $100. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're just going to do it easy. We're going to do it easy. We're just going to go ahead and set that there. We're going to go ahead and put that there and sell right there. Take profit 2. Let's see if she wants to get there. This is pretty early on in this little run. It doesn't show that there's any news. Does not show that there's any news. I'm going to go ahead and check news filter real quick on this mask. We played it with it before, so that's why you have price targets already on the screen. Mask, 4 minutes ago, 3E Network launches IntelliSite platform for AI compute infrastructure with AI ops and active security. All right, let's go. There you go. That's the news. I got in just a shy early. I did catch that little pullback, so that was good. We're up 29 bucks so far. Come on, baby, push. Take profit 1. Should probably split this up some, actually. I really should. Should split this up some. Let's do that. Let's just say right here, create, we'll do 5, we'll leave 3. Boom, let's go ahead and do that. There's that. And then let's put 3 up here. I mean, this could hit, this may not hit. Who knows? I might have to just take what I can get. But it does have news 4 minutes ago. Let's go. Let's see what it does. We'll just keep playing. Here's another good one right here. So here's a pullback, maybe. Maybe this is the pullback. So this is your 1 minute chart. Dun, 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 dun. I'm still watching here. Still trying to find something else to look at. We'll see if this continues to move. It did drop below volume weighted average price. I lose confidence when it does that. This is its first pullback. I hope it's not its last pullback. We do have a little reversal candle there. Let's see if this one can be our confirmation candle, get back over volume weighted average price. Could, it could not. See, probably should have taken my profit when it ran up here to 32 cents. Already down $21. If it gets back to the red line, and there it is. That is a full pullback. Jesus. Wow, that sucks. That sucks. It does happen, though. It does happen. People just taking profits. Algorithms are, once it gets below the yellow line, the algorithms help push it down. Son of a biscuit snatcher. That's okay. That's right. That's 2 big reversals there. That's 1,000,002. And this one is, so far, it's only 566,000. We'll see what happens. It could have another run. But see, this changes the complete look of the stock, A complete reversal back down. That's just not fair. Maybe something with poly markets. Maybe. Let me take a look at this news here again. Obviously Hong Kong, so Hong Kong, obviously. All right. Let me see if there was any other news like this in just a few days ago or something like that. because sometimes they'll put the news out again and it'll be just recycled news. I don't see that. What about toxic agents? Do we see any toxic agents? Toxic agents. I'm not seeing much. I'm not seeing a whole lot. So I might just be screwed there. I might be taking that loss because she don't look like she's coming back up. That's 40 bucks right there. That does not look good right now. That is the price you pay for jumping in a stock that looks like it has good news, right? Had good news. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like. How far can we go down here? All right, so 22 cents possibly. That was a good run there. That was a good run. Damn nabbit. We'll see if it comes back for me. Yep, 50 gone. Right? Son of a bitch. I lost 1K on mask on the last pop to 40. Super choppy. It is. I'm going to just hold on. I mean, like I said, I play the amount that I can handle. I can handle 200. I don't want to, but I can handle it. It doesn't make me freak out when it drops 30 bucks. But this reversal on this crap, that kind of makes me like, oh man, why? Why? Look at this. This is just nasty. This is nasty. So let's see if we can maybe make back some of our money here. But no shape or form am I seeing this thing go back to 42 cents right now. Nuh-uh, not at all. But it looked so good. Let's see, did they pump the news yet? Yeah, they did 10 minutes ago. All right, maybe different music. This one might get stuck in your guys' head. Tommy gun, please. All right, I gotta find something else to look at. These two are making me sad. This thing hits 22 on the dot. I'm gonna get out of this thing. We are no longer looking at those price targets. This thing was a pump and dump completely. And yeah, there's 22 right there. 22. Yep, she's coming down further. Look at her. She's just crashing. Well, that's sad. That is sad. What are you gonna do though? I mean, that's the price you pay. Should have taken my profit when I hit 32. Didn't, and now I'm down 36. We'll see if it could recoup. We'll see if it recoups a little bit here. I like that candle right there. Now I just need this one to be green. I need a reversal. Sorry if we're watching this. See, this is another reason why I don't like to actually participate in trading while we're doing this, because I get stuck in a stock and think, okay, well, I'm gonna just see what it does, and then I'm watching my other stock. This one, I feel like by end of day it'll go up more, but This one here, this looks completely just like a pump and dump. On a 1 minute chart, I'm looking for this thing to switch up on me here because you got this little candle here on a downtrend. So we'll see. Damn, my hands are freaking freezing. Freaking what? And yeah. Come on, give me a green candle, damn it. All right, where is GCTK? GCTK just blew up. Wow, 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 wow. GCTK just blew up. After that pullback it had, GCTK. Holy shit. Whoopsies. There we go. Just blew up. After that little pullback, we were watching this a minute ago, right? Or was no, that was G. No, that was something else. We were looking at G something S. There's an S in there somewhere. Weren't we looking at something GCS or GC something? The hell were we looking at? Someone in the chat. Yeah, GTCS. Thank you. Yeah, that's why I didn't look at it. Oh man, that would have been nice. $3. That's still acceptable for me to jump into. 584. Pretty solid. Low float. 85.8. It's done 2 million in trading. Where is she going? Where is she going? How far can she run? There's $6. Where's she been? She's been at 7 before. All right, she'll catch some heat at 621. There's 621. And we got 7, obviously. 692. Where's the gap? Is there a gap in here somewhere? Are we looking for a gap? I don't see it. I don't see it. But it looks like 790s, 787 sounds pretty good there. And there's your 3 targets on this one. Okay, no, that's this one. That's this one right here. Is that? There we go. We got 1, 2, and 3. Mask is not doing me any favors. Mask is still not behaving correctly. Metaphorically speaking, we'll take a little piece of it. Maybe wait for a little pullback, see if it can get back to volume weighted average price. Create new order. We'll do a little bit. Let's do, let's see, 5 times 20. We can do that. We can do that. Let's do 20 shares. All right, maybe 40 shares. What do we got left to play with here? Oh God, this is gonna be all of it. There we go. Volume weighted average price. We'll do 40 shares at. There we go. We're in at 540. 529. I'm sorry. We're in at 529. That's awesome. I think I'm gonna just take the loss on this thing. Doesn't look like it wants to reverse. Nope. It literally tried so many times and did nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. And we got 8 there, and we're gonna go ahead and just take the loss. That's what we're gonna do. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts there, guys? I mean, it looks like it found the floor here. It looks like it did. MACD's starting to curl back a little bit for us. We'll see. We'll see what it does. This one here, there's your reversal candle reversed. Hit volume weighted average price. Hopefully hits another little reversal candle there and goes back up. I don't know if it's just me having bad luck or what, but damn. This is starting to irk me a little bit. What just I heard some ding dings. All right, we got HCTI back at 39.30. Let's see what we got here. Everybody good on YouTube? Everybody still good there? Come on, baby, just reverse. Reverse for Papa. Get back up here. That would be nice. You know, this is most of my loss right here. You everybody. This song is dedicated to this song is dedicated to this stock HCTI right here. Good for you. You fooled everybody. Good for you. Sorry. Let's flip some stuff here. Let's go. Just gotta set up this one little screen here for myself. I created some fun over here. Let's see that one. See what GCTK can do. All good. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the response on YouTube. All right, let's see. Come on, GCTK. Let's go. Wake back up. How high do you think GCTK will go? Well, I put my targets on the screen. The third target is my last target. Now, here's the crazy part. Like right now, this pre-market crap, this is usually the tricky part because this is where stocks move, banks align, the brokers align. Oh my God, Cree got another Calvin. Thank you, Cree. Thank you for doing that. All right, HCTI coming back a little bit for me here. A little hammer there, a little confirmation there. Come on, baby. Come on back for daddy. All right, we got GCTK coming back a little bit as well off that push. We're getting there. We're getting better. We're getting better. You got to keep going though. You can't just stop. You got to keep on going. Don't be one of those patterns. We don't like those patterns. What was the news on this thing? Patents, USPTO patents for fully implantable continuous blood glucose monitoring system. Ah, okay. So it's not reversing unless it gets back over volume weighted average price. This one here's trying. We'll see if it can get to volume weighted average price. Cree's dancing. GCK doesn't have any news. Yes, it does. It does right here. See that? That's the news that it has. And let's see what it does on News Filter. See if News Filter will tell me anything new about GCTK. GCTK. All right. Wow. Today is just a shit day for me right now. This is a reversal, but it's reversing the wrong way. It breaks this line. It's done. 11 minutes ago. Yeah. They put out that news. 11 minutes ago. Announced USPTO approval for issuance. Man. Shit. Just like that, you're in the red. Yeah, well, I'm in the red too, unfortunately. Fucking just the market's just a shitstorm right now. This one looked good. You guys saw. I waited for the pullback. I'm just a little bit above volume weighted average price at the moment, but back here I was at volume weighted average price. This thing just pulled back way too much. Just way too much. Was not expecting that. Fuck. Yeah, right now I'm $82 red, and that's after taking profit on a couple of them. So that is the market. That is the market. Can't be too pissed off. You know, hopefully this one turns back for me. Looks maybe like a little bit of an inverted head and shoulder pattern here on 8C or on mask, MASK. 8CTI is doing pretty okay for me on the other account. Should be doing pretty good okay on here as well because I'm a little lower on my price here. So as long as 8CTI does what I think it's gonna do, I'll be okay. Fucking red. God damn it. I hate red. I hate red. Red's not my favorite color. Green's my favorite color. All right. Guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. All right. I'm just going to cut this. This thing's a turd. Life is so challenging. Is this a reversal candle? Is this done? What are we doing? 8CTI coming back up for me a little bit here. That's nice. GCTK, you dirty dog. You dirty dog. Mask trying. 8CTI trying a little bit. Please be a reversal right there. Be a reversal candle. That'd be great. I don't need any more of this fucking red shit. There's only one. Life is very challenging for real. It is. There's only one Jrockstocks. Yes, sir. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. Get up there. Come on, man. Let's go, mask. Metaphorically speaking. Come on, get up. I almost wanted to play that song. Tear my heart open. Oh God, come on. Let's see it. Let's see mask. Let's go. 8CTI. Keep on plugging. Get over that three. That's yeah. Get over 42 cents. That would be fucking amazing. And that is not a reversal. That is a reversal in the wrong direction. We're going to be out at 421 if it just so had. There we go. So we took that loss on GCTK. That's about it. I have $41 left to play with. What do you have GCTK at? I don't have it anymore. I got out. This thing's looking like it's reversing all the way back down to the red line, 367. This was a pump and dump if I ever saw one. I would need to get through their stuff here on newsfilter.io. Yep. Oh, we're still waiting on 8CTI. I mean, on mask and 8CTI. 8CTI is doing better. Oh, what a challenge. What a challenge. But see, you guys are getting to see this is standard life of fucking day trader. You know, there's some really good days, there's some really shitty days. Most of the time, all you're trying to do is survive. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to survive for the pure purpose of catching one of those runners every now and then, one of those big runners. But the name of the game is survival. So, yeah, coming all the way back down to the red line. Probably going to fill this little gap down here that it created with the fake news it had, I guess. All right, 8CTIs taking a break back down a little bit, not a whole lot, a little bit. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, there's not a whole lot really doing that well. Nam just took a little boost up to $8, 7.98, 7.95, 7.96. Oh man. Then there she is, back down to that little red line. All right, we're gonna change shift gears here. We're gonna look at Nam. Nam. This has been a fun one for us. Look at that. So it broke through its resistance at that 781, ran to 797. This has been a solid giver. Alerted back in the day at 97 cents, 97 cents to a dollar. Let me show you the website because I haven't shown you guys that yet. Ooh, this one's good right here. Oh, that's right. Getting my butt kicked a little bit today. I'm down $69 right now. So here's Jrockstocks right here. All right, we've got 93 reviews. We've got a learning center, helpful links, that kind of stuff. I want to show you Nam. Nam was alerted. I want to say, what was it, the 23rd? I think it was the 23rd, 6 days ago. There's Nam at 410, but no, it was before this one. It was before that. Yeah, this one maybe. There's Nam at 215. Oh, there's more. Wait. That's what the watch list looks like, by the way, guys. Maybe this one? I think 21st. That sounds about right. No, shit, it wasn't the 21st. Oh, man. See, I put watch lists out every day. Every day, the 20th. Nope, not the 20th. Man, I'll get it. I'll get it right. I'll get it right here. Oh yeah, why join the Discord and alerts? That's a good one. Let's look at that one real quick. This is why you join the Discord and alerts. Look at that. SVRE hit all targets. Boom, there they are. It even hit the extended target. TRNR hit all targets. Nice, right? Pretty cool. Anyways, I can go ahead and show you more on that. Maybe the 16th? What was it? I know Nam was alerted at like frickin'. Oh, look, here VERO was alerted. This one went 400%. There, you know what? I could have just gone to the track record. What the hell? See, there's Vero right there. There's my track record. There's what the days look like. There's Nam right there. It was the 20th it was alerted. Nam was alerted at 0.96 to 1. There were all the targets. This day it didn't hit it. Very next day it hit all the targets. And there's Nam again right there hitting all targets up 143%. Yep. So that's what you got. Jrockstocks.com. Here's your pricing. $59.99 every month. You get Discord access. You get to take profit 1, 2, and 3. You get notes, volume float, catalyst dilution, toxic agents, access to the Discord. Like I said, you can direct message me on Discord. Trade breakout requests. If you ask me to look at a stock, I will. That kind of stuff. All right. If you want to pay for the whole year, there you go. You get 20% off, 569 instead of 719. And then if you just want the watch list, $39.99 a month. I made this for people that just don't have it yet to get into the 59. You save $20 there a month. So pretty good, pretty easy. If you want to read about me, there's my family, me, my son, my wife, and my little guy. And then there's some stuff about me, some questions you might have wondered about. Learning Center, very easy. The rules, candlesticks, and must know definitions. Good books that I've listened to, video lessons, strategies, scanner setups, if you're looking to set up scanners, that kind of thing. All right, so there's that. Helpful links. If you want a broker, here's a broker. This is a good broker right here, Weeble. If you use my link, you get free stuff, I get free stuff. It does take, I believe, 2 weeks for the money to the the new money to show up the free stuff you get. I don't know what their deal is right now, but yeah, Weeble. That's what I use. That's what these charts are. There you go, jrockstocks.com. All right, so still watching Mask, still watching 8CTI, which is doing good. 39. What is it at? 39? Yeah, it's at 39 or something. Something rather. 39.82. There goes what just went? Tommy gun. Oh, AUST. Hey, there's that $8 I was dreaming about, right? Let's see. AUST. Did you say AUST went? And there, whoop, and there's AUST right here. Do 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 do. Well, technically, AUST was yesterday fun, but today it's on the watch list. So we'll see if it gets its targets. So I'm just waiting for Mask. I'm looking for other stuff that might just be popping up. I still can't believe that really sucked. GCTK. Boy, did it fool me. Woo. You got ZSTK. You got ZSTK. It's a small float, 610,000 shares. Volume's 889,000 already. It's at 1540. So keep an eye on that one. That's moving pretty good. Possibilities of it getting back to $27 are there. This thing started off at $6.85. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. Looks like we're falling behind here. What's up, Lionheart? What about Nam? What about Nam? You want a price target on Nam? Is that what you're saying? You want a price target on Nam, huh? May I please? Yes, sir. Just as soon as I change this to a little bit more up. Damn dog. To some upbeat music, because this is kind of a little eh. God, come on. I got dog hair in my mouth. Ugh. I don't even know where it came from right now. My dog's not around. All right. Let's take a look at Nam. Not to be mistaken by spam. So here were all the targets, all priced out nice and easy. Look at this one. 729. I guess they hit, huh? All right, let's get rid of these guys. These are old news. We'll leave 57. Yeah, we'll leave 571. But come on, Mask. Come on back for me. Don't be a dirty dog. Let's see where she goes. All right, there's a good possibility she'll get back to 859. So new targets, right? 859. Sure enough. Sure enough. She catches some speed. You could see 10. You could see 10. Right there, there's another target. Now I'll get rid of these because it just gets too many. Too many lines get really confusing. There we go. First target, second target on Nam. You know what Nam's like? Nam is like NUAI. It is. I'm in your Discord as well. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You were, you're pretty fresh in there. How you feeling in there? How do you like the Discord? That's a little better. Sorry, I had to change it. Let's see. I'm subscribed to everything. You're the best. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. More than right. That's cool. Hey. All right, so let's see Nam get up to 860. Let's see. I still can't I still can't believe what GCTK did. That's just stupid. I just noticed they announced pricing of 4 million private placement priced at the market under Nasdaq rule with a single institutional investor. Curious what they're selling him the shares for. It's probably what happened there. That investor probably just had some fun and dumped some shares. Oh, come on, Mask. Stop it. You stop it right now. You sang karaoke last you sang this one at karaoke last night. That's funny. You know which one I sang? All the Small Things. I sang All the Small Things by Blink 182 when I went to karaoke one time. Oh boy. Oh, the red wine. Wah, 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 wah. All right, let's see here. Battle his cage. Oh, come on, HCTI, get up there. All right. It's just gonna keep flubbing around. It looks like it's in a loading pattern here on HCTI. I've been messing with some stuff, and as soon as I'm ready to release it on the Discord and for the members or subscribers of Jrockstocks, I'll release it. But it's programming for Thinkorswim for the chart. Also make one for also make one for oh shit, sorry. This thing opened up and it didn't let me see what people on YouTube are saying. There we go. So after I subscribed, I can see the watch list. Yes. Yes. Once you subscribe to the website, not to TikTok, once you subscribe to the website, you'll be able to see the watch list. It gets emailed to you every day, Sunday through Thursday. It gets emailed to you with the email that you put in when you subscribe. All right. So AUST's having trouble with that $3. VMAR is starting to pop up. VMAR. Gotta go. All right, the one squib. Hopefully you have an amazing day. I'm in on NAM for a Hail Mary. If it loses, I'm done for the day. Good luck, fam. No worries, man. Good luck. Good luck. And this thing's just flubbing around. I can't believe this stupid thing reversed on me like that, too. That's what we're getting. That's what we're getting. You did. I did. You subscribed on the website. Okay. So on the website, back hose for you. On the website, go ahead and shoot me a message with the profile that you're logged in with. And then I'll go ahead and I'll send you the link to the Discord if you subscribed for that. If you just subscribed for the watch list, then you don't get the Discord link, but I will go ahead and check that out for you right now, actually. See if you are in here. And guys, please, if you are subscribed, please make sure that you guys pay attention to your subscriptions. You know, if I catch it that your payment failed or something like that, then I'll send you a message. But if I don't catch it, then it's on you. And some of you are in here nice and early. It would suck to lose. It would suck to lose your price because once it's gone, it's gone. Then you're standard priced. All right, Nam, come on back. Let's go. Bullshit. I did have my coffee. I did have my coffee. No, no, it's just the market. This is not me. This is the market. The market's being all jacked up. Let's see. XHLD. All targets hit on XHLD. That's awesome. So if you're on the watch list, you would have hit all targets. TP3 just hit on XHLD. Entry was 260 to 270 on XHLD. Boom shakalaka. Watch list solid as hell. Nice. Nice. Remember, guys, this trading that I'm doing here, it's hard. It's hard to trade while you're doing a live. I'm not paying attention to certain stocks that I'm in. I'm paying attention to some. I'm not paying attention to all of them. Right now, I'm in 8 CTI. I'm down $9. I'm down $9 here. Um, I don't know what it did. What did it do? Keeps bumping its head on the volume weighted average price there. That sucks. I'm in that one. I'm in freaking that other POS mask. We're waiting for NAM to get up there to hit its targets. We're waiting for where is it? Over here. Here is XHLD right here. Beautifully ran at 480. The alert was sent out yesterday. And guys, look, here's where today started. Today started back here, 247, 250. Yep. So if you caught that on the alert, you were already up. You were already up. Sure, did it come down? Of course it did. It broke the 200 EMA, and then all of a sudden it erupted again. So once it on the watch list, the entry, stop loss, all that is intact, drops down. Sure, okay, if it screwed you over there, whatever, it shit happens, right? But here it started getting back up into that, hey, watch it again, watch that volume, look for confirmation. Just because the targets are out there doesn't mean that they're gonna work out perfectly as expected. It could come back down, it could blow up just like this one did. What was that? 8:27. So what? 27 minutes ago, this thing decided to take a nice little run, 480. But boom, there you go. And if you guys saw this on the watch list, if you guys caught it, don't forget to say hi and don't forget to say something. Boom, shakalaka, watch list, XHLD, all targets acquired. I still can't believe the market did me the way it did on and I'm going to, let's see, put something new out here real quick. Let's see who messaged me here. Somebody messaged me. There we go. Members. Okay. Reading post. All right. Let's go. Possibly a little cup and handle on XHLD there. Possibly a little cup and handle going there. Have ChatGPT clean this up for me. Now I'm coming back down to the volume weighted average price. Needs to bounce. So I'm going to put the next targets on the Discord on XHLD. That's where they're going to go. If I can get my fingers to freaking type the right shit here. Gosh darn it. There's new targets there. There we go. And then updated. There we go. All right, Nam coming back. Beautiful. Nice, big, whopping candle there. That is a big body candle if I ever saw one. Thank you for the heart, me. Don't worry. I appreciate it. We got 10 of our chilies so far. 10 out of 100. Lose my mind. Oh boy. Let's not lose our minds. It's okay. The market is a pain in the ass. It is what it is. You just got to roll with the punches. Guys, if you look at the chart, just look at the charts. They're all doing about the same thing. They all pump and they all dump. ALTS waking up. It's a bigger float. It's 111 million float. It's only done 336,000 in trading. Hey, thank you for the chilies. 58 of them. I appreciate it. We're up to 68. Heck yeah. Almost hit our goal. Maybe TikTok will like me a little better and push my shit out. TikTok's such a pain in my butt. I just need it to get better. I don't know if it's ever, with the U.S. taking it over, I don't know if it's going to get better, but we can hope. Got a lot of these little runners here, but they all kind of pull back really badly. I need more coffee. I'll be right back. I'm just going to grab some coffee. Thank you for the chilies. Wow, look at that. We hit our goal. Thank you so much. Be right back. All right, the coffee is being made. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. All right. Thank you very much. The target has been achieved. All right. Where are we at here? We're watching XHLD come back. We can go ahead and get rid of all these because these lines have already hit. Boom, shakalaka laka. XHLD gets played a lot. So just keep that in mind. Next time when you see this thing nice and low, Just keep that in mind. It gets played a lot. It pumps, it dumps, it does everything like the regular stock market does. Tommy Gun market, GWH. Your hey man, what's up? Your fave brute? It's been a minute. I haven't seen you on here for a minute. Lose my mind. Okay, cool. Caught up always makes you feel bad, even if you make money. Yeah, the market does do that. You're right. Can you take another look at DCX? Sure can, and sure will. Here's DCX bouncing off the 200 EMA. So, told you guys it was coming back down to the 200 EMA. So it did a bottom here, did another bottom here, and another bottom here. So that's a triple bottom. So this is what you can expect. If it doesn't lose the red line again, the 200 EMA, it's on your screen. If it doesn't lose the 200 EMA and can break, because it looks like it's had trouble with about 422. If it can break 422, break 450, you'll probably get the volume weighted average price. And honestly, if it gets to the volume weighted average price, it might even get 496. But just remember the algos sit here. So as this thing's pushing up, you're also fighting against bag holders, people that are stuck up here. They're also taking their profits or taking their losses. In this case, taking their losses because they said bag holders. But yeah, so just 422 is going to be really the make or break it. This is a reversal. This is a reversal candle confirmation. All right. Technically, it should have broken out, but it had problems. It didn't. It didn't get through. But it did go from 360 all the way back up to 409. So that's pretty good right there. American Teabag, what's up? All right, so that's where we're looking there. How is HCTI looking for me? God, that sucks so bad. It sucks so bad. I could have sold this thing for 200 bucks, making $200 profit. Ah, it's so annoying. So freaking annoying. Coulda, but Charles Schwab wouldn't let me because well, they're not, you know, they're not open at freaking 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh, so annoying. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Okay, here we go. On YouTube, the city shut down our whole block, so me and the lady went live and played hide and go seek in the dark on TikTok. It was pretty funny. LOL. That's awesome. This is two down deep by the way. Oh, hey, what's up, man? Thanks for coming over to YouTube. Now, guys, I know here on TikTok, you guys see I try to show you with my cursor, but my cursor doesn't show up. I don't know how to fix that on TikTok. On YouTube, you could actually see my cursor. So when I'm pointing to something, you guys can actually see it. All right. So here we go. Here's your moment of truth on DCX. Is it going to break through 422? And then if it breaks 422, is it going to get through 450? Currently, it's at 417 on DCX. How's that volume? Is that volume starting to pick up? Because we'd like it to be over 100,000 a candle. This is a 1 minute candle. There's 422. Is it going to break it? Is it going to get through? Come on, break through. Break through, damn it. 50 call options on rig. Hoping it runs soon. All right. I'm hoping it runs soon for you as well. Take it. Okay, come on. See, told you it was going to have trouble with 422. It's having trouble with 422. It's bumping its head. XHLD right here, 407. So it's respecting this little two. This is the 20 EMA, the blue line. This is the 20 EMA, the blue line on XHLD. It needs to hold that. If it breaks through the 20 EMA, I think maybe it'll get down to 386, 383. If it breaks through that, it'll probably reverse right back down to that little red line. That's why I give you guys stop losses on the alerts, because, well, you need them. VMAR 435. VMAR is just trying to get there. Like I said, let's see. Where did VMAR go? Disappeared. Did it move on me? It probably did. Where are you at? I don't see it anymore. Disappeared. Look at that, guys. Remember I told you KRRO 8.7 million float, only done 31,000 shares traded so far. It hit $14.14. Yep. Now it's back down to 1371. Come on, baby. Look at that. Use that little blue line. Look at that. And is she pretty? She used the blue line. She's back over volume weighted average price on the 1 minute chart. We want her to create a base, a floor on that volume weighted average price. So above that, which is great. The little yellow line, look at that. It's working out pretty good. All right. So for this to be a true breakout, so to say, it needs to break 444. Breaks 444, you'll have a new high. There's your new high right there. And the Discord got the new take profits on XHLD. Yeah, chill. Yo, what's up, bully plug? Oh shit. I'll go with that. That's funny. Bow, 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 bow. Let's go. All right. So, reason I don't like Schwab, and I'll show you this here, is because Schwab, I could have sold. Well, I couldn't sell because they weren't open. But I posted it on the Discord this morning how shitty it is that I was not able to do anything here in this particular sense. So yesterday, here's the reason I hate Charles Schwab. This is yesterday. So this is my HCTI yesterday. I have 1,100 shares on Schwab. I have it at 42.42. That's what I'm in. All right. I could have sold yesterday at making profit $200, right? Because this thing was at 52 cents. So yeah. So that fucking sucks, chaps my hide. Cause there's that. And then here's today. It's in after hours, I was watching this thing move and I was like, oh yeah, baby, here we go. Right? Yeah. Yeah, no, it did not work out. Did not work out. I'm still holding it because I do have a feeling once it breaks 42 again, it could really get a move back over 52. And I'm really thinking about, 80 cents on this thing. You're 100% right. Is having a hard time. Yes. Yep. There we go. There's DCX. Let's see if it can break that 50 now. It breaks that 50 and you'll have your volume weighted average price. If it can get through volume weighted average price, you can get a nice little move to that first target, 496 on DCX. But look at here. This is why paying attention to the candlesticks on a chart helps. And I don't care who you are. There's so many jacks out there that say that, oh, well, who cares about the chart? Oh, who cares about trend lines? Oh, God. I won't mention their names. I think I accidentally mentioned someone's name a little while ago, but they do lives as well. Like, oh, who cares about charts? Charts. You don't need all these indicators. You don't need all these lines. Blah blah blah. Anyways, um, if you're paying attention to the candlesticks, you will find stuff like this little hammer right here with your little confirmation. Sure, it came back down, but it held and it moved back up on DCX. Again, having trouble with 450. If it can break 450, like I said, you'll get your volume weighted average price, which is 466, 467, call it whatever. And then you might have your target again. Here we go. XHLD push, baby, push. Flip that MACD. Let's go. Get it moving. Let's see. What else are we looking at here? There's VMAR popping up again. Needs more volume, VMAR. It's currently at 432. 432. It hit 474. Possibilities of it getting there, sure. Picks up that volume. This thing can fly. It's a very small float. And you got this other one here, ZSTK. It's done 1 million volumes so far. It's only 610 on the float. 610,000. Come on, break through HCTI, damn you. All right, guys, don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. 56 of you here. I don't know what happened. We were in the 80s. We were close to 100. We were at 100. Now we're back to 55. I think TikTok's mad at me for something. That's for sure. Or somebody just hopped on and they stole my crowd. Look at this. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Extended targets on XHLD. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Discord got extended targets. I think we're going to do it. I think we're going to do it. Would you take XHLD in the 380s? Can't ask me that. Can't ask me that. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot advise you on that. This is entertainment purposes only. Remember, the lives start Monday through Friday, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment only and no fucking crypto. No fucking crypto whatsoever. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, let's go. There we go. There we go. She's trying. She's thumping around in the dark. She's trying to flip that MACD is what she's trying to do. Once she flips that MACD, I think you could spread pretty good there. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Man, it is getting stopped there at 477. Here we go on DCX. It's trying to little hammer. The hammer only really works in a downtrend. So downtrend here. Boom, you got your hammer. Moved it back up. This is an uptrend. Does it work the same? No, it does not work the same. Gotta change the music. That's a little sleepy here. It's nice and relaxing, but there we go. Let's do this one. This is kind of how I'm feeling. Man, SER falling down. Timber. Lots of sell. There's a lot of sell there. Down to 355. VENU has a big gap from previous trading after hours yesterday. VENU, the gap goes all the way back down to 530, 563 to 530, going down. So if you're in VENU, just be very cautious that that gap could fill. Needs to break 673. I'm sorry, 668, 673. That's when you're thinking it's possibly going to break out. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it, guys. We're at 5,200 likes on TikTok. Tickety tock, tickety tock. Told you guys, gonna have a lot of trouble here with that 44. 44.50 right in there. There's a lot of tension going on in here. All right. XHLD had trouble breaking through. Let's see what is that noise? What is that noise? What do we got? Which one is it? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See, what is this one doing here? This is from yesterday. Feed is starting to move up again. This one's from yesterday. Yesterday, this one ran pretty good. It's on a move again. Needs to break through this 220. Breaks through 220. You have 250 as a possibility. On feed FEED. All right, so there's feed. 56 of you on here. Wonder what happened. Wonder what happened. Maybe I should just cut off. I mean, it's 6:01. I should cut off on TikTok. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Maybe did it like throw up a warning or something that I don't know about? Did I miss something? I'm not sure. People work. No, they don't, Debbie. Come on. People don't work. People don't work. What are you taught? Debbie, come on. I'd be careful with DCX. These little patterns right here, these are not good patterns. This shows weakness, shows more weakness, people taking some profits, algorithms. It's coming back down to the red line. How is XHLD doing? Mother. Oh, coffee. It's on the pot. It's the pot. It's go time. Third cup of coffee coming right up. Ooh, yeah. Gotta have my apple juice first, though, you know? Apple juice first. God, it smells so good. There's VMAR. Told you guys. Told you guys. What did I say? Where's VMAR? We're right here. Jesus. Come on now. Why does it keep disappearing on me. Oh, there's another one. ASNS starting to move. There's VMAR right here. Here, I'll put ASNS right over here. That's starting to move as well. There you go. The VMAR hit hit the first target. It hit very close to the gap fill at 562, and then 592 is coming up. But look at this, pure flush up and pure flush right back down. That is insane. That is nuts. And only in after hours or pre-market can you do this. Guys, how do y'all trade? Saeed, you can catch me on these lives every morning, Monday through Friday, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and you can see. You trade in after hours, so that means you have to have your after hours on. Over here, down at the bottom, if you go all the way to the bottom, you see that night EXT? That EXT says extended hours. You have to click that and have that on. But damn, look at VMAR just pushed 27,000 shares up and dumped 149,000 down. Oh God. This shit, you just can't make this shit up. You just can't. This is just what the market's become. Seriously. What's up, Cree? How you doing, girl? You dancing? We need a dance on the face of the market. We really do. This is just bullshit today. Bullshit taki mushrooms. So just keep it on the back burner. Keep feed in your just in your crosshairs. Keep an eye on it. Maybe it'll get back up to like 259, 287, something like that. If it really busts loose, it might get 324. Feed. I'm also keeping an eye on SLGB. Currently it's at 299, 287, I guess we can call it 287. If that one can get some traction, possibly maybe 328, maybe 367, something like that. Light CTI 38 cents. Womp womp womp. Come on, get back in 39s, damn it. Stacking some firewood, listening to the one and only Jrockstocks. All right. Oh, by the way, the people that were waiting for their cups, you guys should be getting them soon. Today is Thursday. Yeah, today's Thursday. Well, no, wait, never mind. With the storms, they might be a little postponed. When you do get your cup, please do share that you got your cup. That'd be awesome. B Hat. You guys remember B Hat? 36 million floats, done 3.69 million in trading so far. Average is 164,000. So it's starting to move. It's $1.04 shares. I don't have much cash left on me. Here's GCTS again. Stupid stock. Where can I find after hours or night on Weeble? David Zavala. So down right back here. Okay, so you see right here, see that? If you go directly down to where the date is on the screen, the 129, and then the time 0931, down below that you have night, and then you have EXT, like right here. It disappears. You have it right there. You see it? These two things? Yeah. That's what you got to look at. All right, so I was trying to click on something else, but something else came up. Where is it? Where was it? What was I looking at? TRX, slow crawl. It's at 241. Big float, 281 million. Yes, sir. There you go. Yeah, we got to dance on this market, guys. It's been a little bit of a butt kicker. KRRO, I told you guys, now it's at 415 again. This is a 8.7 million float. It's done 36,000 in trading so far. Its average is 533,000. Sometimes when you see these little movers here with these, just kind of moving like this, one, there could be news. U.S. Research Roundup, Investment Brown and Brown, Coro Bio. Okay, so there's something there. when you start seeing the volume slowly pick up and the stock jump quite a bit, that means there aren't very many eyeballs on it. The demand is not high and supply isn't really that high. So you'll start seeing these jumps in the stock. All right, what the fuck? Come on. I know, always stay humble and kind. Always, yes. Tim McGraw, sure, but I don't want to be sad and I want something like fun song. What is this crap here? What when did we get into like calm sleepy music? Fuck that. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Oh shit. We need to move. Yes. Yes, we do. We need to move. I need stuff to move. I need stuff to move. Fucking VMark. Can you guys believe that? Damn. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Go to jrockstocks.com. Check it out. You might like what you find. Ah, 8CTI, you're killing me. You're killing me. 37 cents. Ah. Feed up to 224. Moving nicely. Trying to get there. Oh, I really hate Charles Schwab. I really, really hate Charles Schwab. Can't stand him. Oh, he's such a jerk. Such a jerk. Didn't let me sell my stuff at freaking 52 cents. Now it's hurting my account. I think it'll get back up though. I think 8CTI has what it takes. It's got good volume. Let's take a look at 8CTI, by the way. What was I talking about? Right here. 8CTI. Down that much on it right now because it's kind of given up on itself. It's a 10 million float. It's done 65 million already on 8CTI. Yep. And I had it down. I played it quite a few times yesterday, so I made a little bit of money on it. But uh, basically I'm giving it back because of Charles Schwab being Charles Schwab. So I'm gonna bitch about that a lot. So just be ready for that. Just kidding. What is moving? Orbs. Orbs is trying to come back up. Look at Orbs. Orbs did a shitty job dumping here as the day opened. Day opened up. Created a gap actually as it opened up here in pre-market and then traded just downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. What do you think it's going to try to fill? What do you think? Do you think it's going to try to get 167? Because there's a little gap there. Yes, it is. Now, orbs can possibly get back to 72. And if it gets enough movement, I'm thinking it can probably get up. I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it. I'm going to be very open with this. I'm going to say if it can, it'll probably get there. Roughly $2. ORBS. What's up, guys? You guys losing some steam? You guys tired? I know, I know. Thursdays are just kind of rough sometimes. KRRO 416. See if it gets a good little jump there. You got TRX making moves. It's at 243. Mm-hmm. Oh. Really tired. No more coffee for me. Yeah, I needed this to cool down a little bit. Oh, I get this little alert on my phone saying that my coffee's reached my temperature that I like, which is usually about 133 degrees. Once I get that message, that's when I drink the coffee so I don't burn my tongue. Oh, I love it. I love it. You guys got to get yourself one of these Ember cups. I'm not sponsored by them. They're no way in shape, form related, or have any part of this live. But these Ember cups, they say Ember. They are fantastic. You see that little red light? That means it's heating my coffee right now, keeping it at a good temperature for me there. Now, do you mean that or do you mean XHLD? Which one do you mean? Do you mean XCLD or do you mean XHLD? Come on, what do you mean? Say what you mean what you say. There's XHLD. Yep, you got a nice little saggy booby pattern right here. Yep, nice saggy booby pattern. Look at that. So remember, I'm not going to give you targets on this anymore because they are on the Discord. I gave updated targets. This was on the watch list. Now I will show you what was on the watch list. Oh, wow, look at that. It is 6:15. That's why the lights went dim. That's what reminds me that it is almost time to get off the live stream because I gotta do shit and help my kid. Oh man, fucking XCTI or HCTI, 38 cents. It's got to pick up, man. I'm getting destroyed right now. All I got is $41 left to play with. I It has not been a good day for me, guys. Not been a good day. Usually I come back by the end of the day, but I don't really have a whole lot of money to play with because I was in what was that? SL S shit. Come on now. I was in SLGB. I'm still holding currently. It's not doing great for me. Let's see what it is doing. Put it over here, KRO SLGB. Let's see how much I'm down on this sucker right now. See, I'm not down that much. I'm down 13 bucks. I do think it can come back. It is above volume weighted average price, so that's pretty. That's nice. So 317 is what I'm in at. All it needs is 17 cents and I'm even, but I did hold 79 shares overnight, which, I really don't usually do. Let's see. Robo says GCTK. GCTK. What is GCTK doing? Did it do something? Did it come back? That thing dumped. Nope, never came back. GCTK. Look at that. I told you guys when it was around here, I said it's probably going to come down to the red line, and look at that. Came down to the red line, came down, filled that gap. Still got a little gap left to fill there. But yeah, it just got smoked. Smoked. GCTS is right here, coming back up nicely. And I told you guys that too. There it is. There's VWAP again. Now it has a good chance to get back up and hit that target, 144 again. Because it hit hit it back here. Now market open comes, this thing might dip back again, and then it might reclaim and get back up to 182. That is the thought process there. Yes, GCTK is what I was in. Yep, I kicked its ass to the curb. Yeah, it dumped really quick. Look at Jesus, that is insane. Okay. AUST making moves back up. AUST making moves back up. NAM trading sideways, did a bull pennant. Currently, it needs to hold 745. It breaks, it's going to come back down. NAM, we're talking about NAM right now. Why won't it fucking go over? Jesus Christ, come on. Drive me nuts here. Okay.
Never mind, my little spark chart's not letting me. Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, if it breaks that, which it did right now, if it breaks that 742, there's a good possibility it'll come down to 724. Breaks that 697, breaks that. You're probably going to be looking about 677 somewhere around there on NAMM. On AUST, we're looking for a break. Come on, man, damn, this is driving me nuts. Let me just click it, I guess. Here, I'll click it. So here is AUST. AUST is a watch list stock, so I'm not going to give you targets, but I will tell you that it's looking pretty good right now. Market makers are about having some fun right now. It looks like a nice cup, doesn't it? Well, what do you think? Nice cup. Needs to hold the little green line. The little green line's at 305, so let's say it needs to hold $3. Holds $3, reverses, and we're off. We're off and running. Ugh. 8 CTI, 8 CTI. Come on now. So pissed off at freaking Schwab. Hate Schwab. Schwab's annoying. SER making its way back up into the fours. It's at 390 right now. Keep an eye on TRX. It's a huge float, 6 million so far in trading. But keep an eye on that one. After market open, keep an eye on KRRO. It's at $14 right now. Watch for that volume to spike. You're gonna want that. GCTS looking pretty fly right now off of that double bottom. 121, like I said, needs to go ahead and break on through that. I believe 127. After that, 140 roughly. You can get new highs there. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. House just missed the entry. Yep. Guys, don't forget to go to jrockstocks.com. If anything, just become members. Just become members. That's it. All right. Oh, crazy dog. Here she comes. Become members. That way you'll be able to access the website and hang out. Fred Flintstone later. All right, man. Later. You'll be able to check out the website. You'll be able to go to Learning Center. You'll be able to go to uh, what's it called? That thing. You'll be able to go to that thing. You'll be able to go check out the helpful links. Uh, there's some good stuff in there. Some good stuff to learn. What else? What else? What else? Make sure to take your profits on the way up. Okay, guys. It sucks. It really does suck where you just get greedy and you don't want to take your profits even though you're up 10, 20%. All right. And the way you do that is you take a little off the top. So if you've got 100 shares, take 60 off and then 20 at your next target and then 20 at your next target. Always keep your stop loss just a little above where you've entered. That way you don't lose money. Debbie, my average on HCTI on Thinkorswim or Charles Schwab is 42 cents. My average on here is 39. I'm waiting for this thing to go and have some fun. I'm gonna set you guys. I'm gonna I'm gonna leave you guys with this one. Oh God. I'm sorry. I'm cruel. I know. I'm sorry. All right, let's see. The sound here on YouTube is lower than TikTok. Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know that. See, I don't know unless people tell me. So I could bring up the volume. That's for sure. I can adjust that volume there. Advanced audio properties. Test, test, test. Check, check, check. Check it out. What's it all about? Monitor off, monitor off. Good, 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 good. That stuff's there. Uh-huh. All right. Stoner's loving it right now. That's funny. Nam is taking a beautiful ride on my trend line. All right. That's good. That's good. Let's go, guys. Make your money. Again, let me say that again. Profits into strength, not into weakness. Because if it's into weakness, that means you're losing money. So take your profits on the way up. You guys have seen me do it on here plenty of times where I'll sit there, I'll be talking about a stock, it'll be going up, and I'll just look at something else because you asked for something, and I'll go to a different one and look at that one. And then all of a sudden the damn thing starts going down, and I start chasing it down. Yeah, that's not how you want to take profits. You want to take profits on the way up. So like here, I've got my sell set, right? I may drop it down. I may say, hey, okay, I'll just take profit at 325. Whatever. Just have a plan when you guys get into these. Have a good plan. We got 8 CTI at 39.74. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 39.84. Come on. Let's go. 8 CTI. I know you want it. I know you want it. For some reason in my head I'm seeing somewhere in the 80s, but I could be wrong. I have been plenty of times. All right, how is XHLD doing? Frickin' still holding forward. That's good. That's good. All right, go to Jrockstocks, guys. Come on, seriously. Go to Jrockstocks, become members, have fun. Don't take this so seriously. Sometimes we take it so seriously that we give ourselves health problems. Oh man, it's been fun. It's been fun. Yeah, sure, I lost some money, but I'll make it back. My stocks are coming back. 8 CTI, here it is. See, came back. I'm only down $2 now. I may, if it'll let me. I have like $41 left to play with. I may jump into something and make like $5. It does have a problem at 40. I know, I know. I've seen it. It's got 10,600 shares at 40. I know, on the ask. Come on, Oust. Let's go, baby. Push up. Push through that 312. Let's go. 314. There you go. Come on, Oust. Keep on going. Don't oust me. Oh gosh, is that it? Is that somewhat of an inverted head and shoulder on 5 minute chart? There is an inverted head and shoulder on a 5 minute chart. Look at that. If you weren't paying attention, you missed that. Yes, son. Back to volume weighted average price back here. That's pretty. Let's keep on going. Keep on rocking. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks for all the chilies. Don't worry. Thank you for all the chilies. I appreciate the help. I don't know if this helps TikTok send my stuff out or helps with the algorithm or what. I know they're greedy as hell. So I know people that do the battles and that kind of stuff, they probably get pushed uh, harder than I do. But it's because I've been telling people like, hey, don't give me money on here. I don't really get a whole lot of it anyway. I get like 50% of it. Check out watch SUPX. For some reason it's making some moves. It's up from yesterday from $17 to $20.60. Yeah, I'm not trying to freaking make all this money for TikTok. I'm just trying to stay in some sort of a viewership, some part of that nut that they send all their people out with. I don't know what I'm saying. Still tired. AUST 320. Let's go, baby. Come on, oust. KRRO just hit 14.99. Told you guys, keep an eye on that one. Debbie, thank you. You have a great day as well. I appreciate you coming on here and helping me out, wrangle all these kids. Cree, thank you very much for doing the block party there with Calvin. Appreciate it. And I love the little post you did with the cup. That was cool. Thank you for doing that, by the way. I didn't say it on the live. I meant to. All right, we got HCTI at 40 cents. HCTI at 40 cents. Trying to break through that wall. It's trying to break through that wall. We got 16,000 shares at 40 cents. Trying to get it. Oust is still having some trouble there. Thanks for being here, J-Rock. Look forward to it every morning. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate that, Stoner. We're going to keep on keeping on here, guys. We're going to keep on keeping on. As long as there's a market, I'm going to be doing these lives. I love the market. I love playing with it. It's such an asshole sometimes, but sometimes it's nice to us. We have 1 minute until market opens, guys. So once again, do not forget to go to jrockstocks.com. And I do want to say thank you. I'm not going to say who did it or how many people have done it, but I do want to say thank you for the people that are sending the Cash App. I appreciate it. If you're one of those people that wants to, you can go right here in the About page, and there is my Cash App right there. If you want to go ahead and tip your waiter, that's cool. You can do it right there. Okay, guys, market is open. Go to jrockstocks.com, hang out, check me out, and I will. Oh, and if you haven't yet, write a review. If you like what you see, write a review. All right, guys, that's it for now. Oust is moving up. HCTI is still at. Wait a second. Wait a second. That's not 5 day. What are you doing? There it is. HCTI. Where is HCTI? 39.50. All right, cool. Let's keep on rock and rolling. XHLD, SER, DCX is interesting to me, but we'll go with it. Let's see. I told you watch KRRO, SUPX. What else? There was another one. There was another one. There was another one. Just to keep an eye on. ZSTK. Keep an eye on that one as well. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you guys. If I can, I'll come on later. If I can't, because I'm at my uncle's house, well then I'll see you guys in the morning tomorrow. All right, ALTS. Keep an eye on that one. ALTS. All right. Peace out, guys. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. YouTube, thank you guys for hanging out. I really appreciate it. I know it's hard. I know it's hard to be on here with me in the mornings. But I appreciate all of you guys being there. It's been fun. Night Owl's been having a hard time getting on YouTube. I've noticed Night Owl has not been showing up. Oh, HCTI just took a big hit. HCTI down to 335.36. Whew, that hurts. But it is market open, so this is typical behavior in these stocks. But YouTube, you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys later. Peace.